I'm going over this with the 3-point hitch higher. And I'm just trying to level it out, work it up a little bit more, just so it's nice and level and even for Pap to go over it with the corn planter. I think that's what we're doing. So it's going all right. I just got off work here for a little bit earlier. Just trying to make some do here. Pick this thing up here. This is all really tough to do on camera. Not even gonna lie. So, yeah. Sorry about sluggish on camera. I just want to make sure that I'm doing everything right. Anyway, so, alright, there we go. So, yeah, we're doing. Trying to level this ground up. So the Pap can go over it. I'll video a little bit more whenever he gets over here, when I get a little bit more accomplished. So I will be right back. Pretty good view. Keep filming that. Anyway, look at it. So this is actually going a lot better. Better video quality here. Coming down in here, I'm going to have a little trouble hiring this because it's just going to be a little bit of a pain trying to film all of it. So I'm going to film a little bit here yet, and then I'll film the end of it of me, and I'll film a little bit more Pap planting, and I'm going to head back to the farm. There that glare goes. Now you can see. The cab is real dusty, and it's really bouncy, so I'm holding my phone, so I don't have a GoPro, so I can't really stay as stable as I want to. So, alright, finish this up, and then there's a lot of grass back in there. I gotta take care of that. You see Pap's up there? He stopped for some reason. He's got to get off the planter. He's been having trouble. But anyway, I got finished. I'm probably gonna go back to the farm and do the barn work and feed the animals and all that stuff, but I figured I'd get a little bit of filming in over here, try and get some of this on the channel, and hopefully you guys like it and enjoy it. Honestly, I'd much rather be up there with him right now, so you guys can see that corn planter working. I forget what the number is. It's a white corn planter. It's a air corn planter. I forget, but it runs off of air. It's an air planter, I think, but you can see where that planter puts the right there where my foot's at. You can see where that planter puts it in the ground, and it does a really good job. Pat bought it like a year or two ago for like $4,000. I think that's actually what he did pay for it. It was $4,000. It's pretty good. Might have been $3,000, something like that. But it was a well taken care of piece of equipment. It didn't, but it wasn't abused. The guy always put it in his shed every year. So, I mean, I don't know how deep it puts it in, but I'm not really going to pull one out of the ground because that shit's expensive. Anyway, so, yeah, I just figured you guys wouldn't see that. So. All right, so that's 10 more bales loaded up. And now we're going to go back to the house, which is just like right down there, and unload them. We got, I don't know, probably like 10 more over here. We got 8. There's 8 more left over here, so we got like another like quarter of a, or like a half a load, 3/4 of a load to shuttle ship, because fuck your power ship, that's why, not ship. Anyway, we're gonna ride back over here and unload. That way we have everything over here, so whenever he gets here to wrap, he can wrap, and then with the hay rakes going, we got another hay rake over the winter time, so that's pretty cool. So we have that. Both of them sitting there, that's my truck. So, So we're gonna unload these and go from there. My mistake, there was 9 bales left. So there's that one in the back. That bale wagon holds 10 bales on the bottom. You can put 8 on top, make 18. So that's if you're hauling dry hay. Wet hay, I wouldn't put 18 on that bale wagon because it would break it. Like, it would be too much for the wagon. Like 10 wet bales are more than heavy for that wagon, I think. So I mean, yeah. So this guy's supposed to be showing up at 9 o'clock. It's like 8:30 now, so we should be on schedule. Everything that is wet baled is there, right there in front of the house. So I got to pick up a few bales there in front of the house, and then we're gonna start wrapping when he gets here. So that'll work out perfect. So the next time I start videoing, I'm not gonna be on this tractor. Pat's probably gonna be feeding the wrapper, and I'll be videoing and talking throughout the time of wrapping. So I will see you guys when we come back to that. I don't know where Pap's at. He was up there. We just started making hay. I didn't get any video of cutting, raking, or anything like that. I was at work at my day job when they were cutting hay. I raked some this morning. I should have taken a video. Didn't even think about doing it. But I got however many bales are loaded up right here. There's 10 on the bottom, 12. I got 12 on right now. Put 3 more on there, have 15. Take it back to the barn. So yeah, I'm gonna video as much as I can. I might not get as much video as I'd like because my cousin's not here. It's just me and my pap, so I gotta kind of pick up some of the slack right now at the moment. But whenever he gets back, I'll try and do a little bit more video. And that and loading bales, it's hard to do video when you're loading bales. We just hauled back, and like Pap's going to do that small piece over there. We got so many round bales to pick up. It's horrible, but hopefully we can get done in the next 2 hours. Get all this shit put away. We're running out of room in the barn to put away hay, so we'll see. I'll pick this one up while I'm here. Alright guys, so I know it's been like a week or two since I uploaded my last video, but I just wanted to come on here. I had a rough night last night. I just kind of woke up probably like 2 hours ago, kind of like getting ready for the day. It's a Sunday. I'm uploading a video today, so it'll upload tonight. Today would be the 26th, I believe. So that being said, it's gonna get uploaded tonight, and it's just the video is about, you know, when we were getting the rest of our corn ground planted, and then oats. I think a little bit of oats planting is in there. I think probably not. The more I think about it, the more I don't think that's in there. But then we're getting into like making hay. So I got some videos of us wrapping hay and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. So I wanted to come on here and say that I hope you enjoyed the video and have been enjoying the videos. I do all this filming on my iPhone, so, you know, and I switch it to my computer right over there and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, and I really enjoy doing this, and if you guys like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. And yeah, that's really all I got. So like I said, I'm filming, you know, slowly and steadily. I got a few other things I want to film and put on the channel. My four-wheeler, some things on my truck, stuff like that. So if you want to see more of that, let me know. Other than that, thanks guys. See ya.